Depending on what warhead the drone is carrying, it needs to hit the equipment differently to ensure it destroys the equipment. As dual-purpose high-explosive grenades offer both some smaller penetration capability, as well as blast fragmentation, it can often penetrate the roof armor and destroy the vehicle, as seen with this BTRD vehicle. But using other sorts of grenades usually mean it needs to hit non-armored targets, meaning the grenade needs to be dropped into the vehicle to do damage. Luckily, Russian crew almost always leave hatches open, as seen with this BMP-1 with a coke cage. As the vehicle has gotten stuck, the Ukrainian drone army can destroy it easily from the inside, as the grenade's pressure blasts open the vehicle, destroying it, turning it into scrap metal, leaving a little less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.